Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to do some MPI magic. For those of you who don't know, MPI stands for multi-point inspection magic. We're going to guess which cars deserve it, which ones don't, and we're going to skip a few. I really only like to do 3 out of 10 every day, because why would I bother the other ones? They really aren't going to buy anything anyways, right? So let's see, out of these 10, these are 10 vehicles that come into my bay. I'm a technician. I'm gonna do this one, okay? Let's see what's the value. Whoa, I'm lucky. Multiply times 10, so let's take this one. This was a $50 upsell because I did the inspection, right? And out of these 10, I'm gonna do one more. Let's do this one. Whoa, this one, 20 times 10, $200 value. And I'm gonna do this one. And this one is, dang it, this is good. There's like 3 smaller jobs, 1 bigger, and they bought all of them. So this is a $530 value. So I did okay, right? But I skipped 7 because I worked on 10 vehicles today. And I skipped 7, so this one had nothing. This one would have had $10 repair. This one would have had peanuts. Wait a minute, that's pistachio. This one, nothing. This one, $50. This one, nothing. And this one, whoa, that's the $1,000 one. I would have missed a $1,000 repair. So guess what? You cannot do this with MPIs. You got to work the averages. Each RO is worth how much? Guess what? It has 2 values. It has a per RO value or per transaction value, which for a lot of dealers is 2.5 hours. For technicians, that's a lot of pay. It doesn't matter if you made 4 hours on this RO or if you made 1/10 on this RO. Look at the averages and the lifetime value of this customer to the dealership. So you gotta do the multi-point inspection, because even the one that had nothing is still worth that 2.5 hours because it seals the trust. You sell the green and it seals the trust. So next time this customer is gonna come back, is gonna buy the services, or they'll buy another vehicle, and you get to do the PDI, you get to install accessories on the next vehicle. So serve that customer. This is not magic. Can't do magic with MPIs with multi-point inspections. Serve every customer consistently. Serve them consistently to get the money. That's how you find the money, when you turn over each cup, which represents doing each MPI. And by the way, this applies to service advisors. Which customer should you serve at the highest level? Which one should you introduce to your service department all the way with the full introduction, welcome kit and everything? The one you think is gonna buy a bunch of services, or every single one of them? Every single one of them, because the one you thought would buy a lot sometimes buy nothing, and the ones you made assumptions about buys everything. You really don't know who is going to create your paycheck. So there is no service selling magic. There is such thing as serving consistently, and that's how you find the money and seal relationships for life. It's good for the customer, it's good for you, and it's good for the dealership.